Alright. I know this is a little early. I was anticipated to finish this off with the drag racers. Well, that's what I thought, but you know what? What the heck? This is XRS we're talking about. And, you know, I already have plans with mud racing already, so I'll be before this year ends, I'm going to be doing like a few more days. Like, one day I'll do mud racing, and the next, on like New Year's Eve, I'll be filming like the drag racers stuff for the New Year's resolution stuff. I won't tell you what my New Year's resolution is, because you could probably guess what my New Year's resolution is. But anyway, we're going to be reviewing the first wave of drag racers. Here you have McQueen, Jackson Storm, Cruz Ramirez, Nitroade, and Spiky Phillips. Unfortunately, this guy was confirmed with that Hayes Spiky Phillips. Man, and I take back all the episodes I just called them both. But at least I know what their names are. Not for this. Not thanks for this Lil'torquey. Don't even put Pistons there. So they don't even put the name that they already confirmed, Tim Tretless. Just like mud racing in Wave 3. But anyway, we're going to be reviewing all these guys one at a time. Well, maybe a few times quick, like I did for the mud racer stuff. Well, let's just unbox these and just like show you what there is to see. Also, the light movement is made to be off, so it may look weird to you all that I only got like one Vietnam variant out of this whole case. But I really want the China variant. So you just have to get what you have to get. And you get a different variant of something that's fine enough. Just you can always get another one. Just like the set that they are releasing. Out. Right. This doctor was right. These are small names plates. Here. Anyway, I got McQueen out. Let's try these. Let's get Cruz out. And you always wonder why do I don't have any sound or anything on in my videos. That's because I just don't want to get copyright just for stuff I'm playing in the background. I mean, possibly I've done that in the past because I was not independent with my stuff. So here's just stuff there. Alright, let's get the packagings around. Also, I should get one of the cleaner ones out so I can show you what the drag racer stuff is, because I haven't really showed you what it is for people who don't know what drag racing is, or those who haven't heard about it. Let me just get the rest of the parts out before I show you. I got Tim Tretless out. Now all I have to do is get a Lil'torquey out, which is basically Spike. Alright, let me just get the layer out. Alright. Oops, sorry guys, I just dropped the car out in the camera or screen I have it on. Sorry about that. Alright, so got Spiky out. I have Jackson out. Got McQueen, Cruz, Tim Tretless out. And just like I said, I'll show you what the drag races are. So I put you back here. Alright, so off screen so you can all listen. On the camera. There you go. Anyway, let's read this. Sorry if you can't read it. Maybe I'll try to help you read it. Okay, good. Like, look at it. Look how long this thing is. Alright, Extreme Racing Series XRS is a high-octane competition that takes racing to the next level. The second event in the series, drag racing, features blistering, exhilarating, or whatever that word's supposed to say right there, in an all-out sprint to the finish line. McQueen and his friends will reach their unlimited top speed. That's what I'm supposed to say right there. Leaving nothing but smoke in their tracks as extreme drag racers. So that's all you should know. One of these backs. Get a good back. Alright, right here. On Jackson Storm's card, it says it has Cruz Ramirez, McQueen, Spiky Phillips, and coincidentally Brickyard League, which hasn't been released yet. Well, at least not my states. But there's a full free pack where you can literally just get Brick with Jackson Storm and Tim Treadless. So yeah, nothing much on the purpose of this video. But anyway, let's get to the review of Lightning McQueen since we've been on. Now, of course, the ice pressure is different among the flames and such. Flames were never this red. They were never this red when he got showed off in China. Anyway, as you can see, these wheels move around and pop those out. And also these big wheels. They have reasons why they put big wheels on here. Because if you want to like drag, you have to like, you know, like, you have to go faster. You just like do this. And it's just like wheels here. The wheel, the plastic wheel around here drag. And also great that he has a parachute in case he can't stop in time. And before there were lines here. So like already they were all flat for Lightning McQueen, but I swear the China version had stripes, like 3 stripes, continuously like this thing. But anyway, window bars for McQueen look fine enough. Windows here, XRS, little pipe things for clean. Hint that if he was going like in this direction, you could still see because you know this is supposed to be just plastic imprints. So if he was if he couldn't really see, it was just like from the flames and such, not from like the plastic. This is not this plastic stuff is not possible in the car series. Sure, I would continue the pollution stuff, but still, it's still XRS. So what are you gonna do? Anyway, the 95 and everything else is really small. I really thought they were gonna put something bigger on here. Anyway, like McQueen's signature is right there and there. Nothing different about that. XRS. Black in the back, actually. Big fat wheels again. Flames. Exhaust. Turn around. This especially literally looks cool to like McQueen's view. But what else should I know if he's just an XRS character? Anyways, these sponsors are RPM, Revolting, and Octane Gain. Nothing else. Big 95 between closer to like the lights, to like his lights stuff. Anyway, nothing much on McQueen. I forgot to compare. With the XRS drag mud racers, but if you see the Nitroade review, you would understand that. Anyway, Cruz Ramirez, here's some China ones. Same thing with Cruz, but the flames are red now. She's looking to her left instead of her right or center. Now, if I were to assume that this is in toy form, that she would just be looking so she could see properly, that would be the case in the Cars form. She would still be like seeing through these fine enough, but she just was staring off at that 1 second. Yeah, I like her mouse. It's different as well. Here's her sides. Disney sponsors Combustor, Car, Cyber, and Synergy. Has some different orders actually. Extras with weird water like splashed all over her back. With 2 parachutes. I guess with the more high-tech speed with Cruz, she has to stop faster with more parachutes. 51 Dynaco planes look more like they were in China form. Strange. Anyway, 51 is small as well. Let's get the Jackson Storms. Now here's Jackson Storm. Same as Cruz's. Well, actually, I think they're a little oranger. XR Extreme Racers, XRS, with the tip of the X being like yellow, middle being orange, and the bottom being completely red. And the RS is really like, sorry if that noise is annoying you, even though it's really hard to listen to it. Anyway, the RS is really blue on both sides. Things look really cool. Jackson's wheels are actually a hint of blue. 20 on blues. Actually, yeah, there's 95s up here as well. 51s as well. So, yeah, that's Jackson's Storm for you. Also, his number is a little pushed down there. It's 2.0 with the dot being more yellow or gold. Igniter and 2 parachutes again for Nesh's. God, do these Nesh's need 2 parachutes, or are they just too lazy to break, so they need 2 parachutes just to stop? Anyway, we're gonna finish this off with Tim Tretless because he has flames and such. Basically him, but he just got another paint with the front and the back stays a little bit the same, with 28 being pushed back a little bit. A little bit of texture of the back looks different as well. 28 igniter, 2 parachutes again. Alright, we only have 2 more minutes to finish this review, so let's get finishing. Also, he has orange wheels as well. Well, he's the only car that has orange wheels, at least for now. As you can see, sponsors are like Synergy, Car Cyber, Combustor. Also, Jackson's there, like Piston Cup. Why does he keep getting Piston Cup so luckily? So it's Synergy, Car Cyber. Alright, let's finish these last 2 minutes with Spiky Phillips. Now, Spiky has like the X is blue and the RS is, it's like Jackson's Storm but mixed. The X is blue and the RS is like, the R has a little bit of yellow and orange. Well, the S has a little bit of S and the tip of it has red in it. So that's basically it for Spiky. Is 117. Star has flames, blue wheels again. 117. 117 is small up here. Same thing on this side. 117. Anyway, the contingency sponsors on this guy are like, these are on this side. It's really hard to tell, but I could just point out like Combustor, Car Cyber, Synergy right on this side. Actually, they are on that side as well. But anyway, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is Cars Jaden telling you Merry 2 day after Christmas, and peace.